Today our tutorial is the tutorial is based on how to create a multiple color font test, and first of all, we before that, you can and you need to get the pixelab. We are dealing with pixelab, so you need to get the pixelab app on the Play Store. So I already have my own on my phone, so you pressed on it, and I created it before. So we are going to start afresh. We are starting with default. So after that, we come here and we edit the text. I'll take a different letter and we'll deal with QWERTY, right? We'll deal with QWERTY. You get it? So we can increase the size over here. After increasing the size, we go to pattern, and then after increasing pattern, we then go to font. And most of the times I always like there are so many fonts here, but I prefer Jack 5. It is pretty, right? So okay, I position it over here. After that, I go to stroke, right? And that stroke is always nice, really, for me. We can have multiple colored stroke, whether be this way, you see, or and multiple colored stroke, or we can have one color stroke. You get it? One color stroke. But let's take this one for the moment. Then let's go to color, and then we go to gradient, and then we get this one, and then we add in order to get a multiple color font. So we then go here to select a color. Now take blue for this moment, blue, black. Okay, so after that, I select this one, I go to color, and then I go to this one, pink. So this is the color that we have here. If we want to add more, we can press the add button. The add button, that is the plus button, and plus button to add a different set of color which can be edited. So I would like us to use this one for this moment. So you see it is now pretty. That is QWERTY. So this is what I'm talking about. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly press the subscribe button. You can also like and share, so you can use it on your editing features and editing text photo and other text features. Okay, thank you.